Hey everyone, for this video, I'm gonna teach you how to ignore messages on Messenger. With this tutorial, you won't get annoyed by those spam callers and texters. The first step is opening your Messenger. Now, this will be a very easy tutorial, so I want you to listen carefully so you can understand how to do this. Let's first find the person we want gone. As you can see, if I swipe right on their name, two buttons pop up, More and Archive. If we tap on Archive, it will hide the chat box. If we tap on More, which is what we need to do, we will see many options. Two of those options are Mute and Block. Blocking is self-explanatory, but if you tap on Mute, it will ask you how long you want the person muted. Let's say you only want to mute them for a bit because you're busy right now, but you will be free later, so just tap on mute for 15 minutes. It's that simple. If you think this video was helpful, please consider liking, subscribing, and hitting the notification bell. If you have any questions, feel free to comment down below.